flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby?
Hey boo, let's get into this wig install right here. This wig is from Subella Hair, and I don't believe that I've tried a wig from this hair company. This is their Kinky curly texture. It is a 13 by 4 inch HD lace frontal wig, and it does have the curly edges on it, but I did go in with a little bit of mousse to smooth them down a bit, but you can definitely wear them in its natural state as well. I will show you what that looks like later on in the video. But yeah, I didn't want to do a defined parting or anything today. I just wanted to keep this hair really big and full. This is giving what it's supposed to give. This wig was super secure when I put it on. It already felt like it was pretty much snug on my head before I even cut the lace off. I love that. I hate it when the wig is like lifting a little bit or there's some gapping or something before I lay my wig, because then normally I don't get that bomb of a melt, but this wig literally fits so good to my head. It is nice and snug in the front and the back. I freaking love it. If you've been on the hunt for a bomb kinky curly wig, you definitely need to check this one out. If you would like to see how I installed this wig today, y'all already know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out.
So I did add baby hairs off camera before I did my makeup. I did my makeup live on TikTok. So if you're not following me on there, be sure to follow me, because I do weekly live get ready with me videos and we can chat and it's a fun, good time. So I don't want to do any defined parting or anything like that. I'm just going to simply like flip the hair until I get it the way that I want it because this hair is nice and full. I did co-wash this hair already, so that's why I'm not defining the curls. And I don't care if it gets a little frizzy in some places because I feel like that makes it look even better. So do I want the hair going to this side or do I want it to go to the other side? I normally always do it to this side, so I think that's what I'm gonna do because I feel like it looks weird going to the other side, but it probably doesn't. But I just prefer it going to this side. Yes. Okay. I am loving this. Big hair, don't care. Y'all already know. I love big hair.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team. Got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me?
So here is the finished look, y'all. All I really needed to do was bleach the knots. When I first got the wig, I bleached the knots. I co-washed the hair, let it air dry, and then I installed the wig today. I did go ahead and pluck the hairline because it was looking a little too thick for me to start off with, but I absolutely love the edges on this wig. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Subella Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for y'all. Be sure to go check that out, as well as any coupon codes that are there too, so you can save some money. And if you would like to see my latest Get Ready With Me video, go ahead, click the box right here and go check it out.